Hello.
Hello kita.
Hello. Can you see me? Oh no. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yes. Hello. Good evening. What is your name?
Hui.
Hui? Jahui? Is your name Jahui? Yes. Okay. Can you say my name is Jahui? Oh no, I can't hear you. Please come closer so I can hear you. Okay. Can you say my name is Jahui? Okay. You have to practice that. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, Jahui?
Zè.
What? Yes or no? Are you ready?
Zè.
What's there? Yes? Is that a yes? Okay, let's start. Okay, what can you see in the picture, Hui? What can you see in the picture? What is this? Is that a robot? What is that? It's a monster. That's correct. Okay. Can you see his face? Can you see his face? What is the color of his face? Blue. Okay. Wait a minute, Jahui. Can you touch your screen so that you can color the monster? Can you color the monster? Okay. Can we start at his hands? It says the hands is color brown. Okay, that's right. Okay, the mouth is color red. How about his hands?
It had it brown.
Brown, that's correct. The hands are brown.
What?
Can you color the hands with color brown? Oh, that's hair. I The color of her hair should be yellow. Hands. You have to color the hands with color brown. Ooh, what happened? Okay, it's okay. Okay, how about the other hand? Okay. Ooh. Okay. That's great. Okay, now we try to color hair. I try to color her hair. His hair. That's a male. I think the monster is a male. His hair. Try to color his hair. Oh, yellow. Oops, sorry. Oh no, I removed the color. Okay, that's right. Okay, now let's try to color his body with color purple and pink. Body with purple and pink. Purple and pink. Ooh. so hard. It's hard to
Yeah.
color. Oh, okay, I understood. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay. You can leave it. Okay. That's blue. I think that's blue. I think it's not a purple, it's blue. Okay. Can I remove the color? Because I think it's not a purple, it's a blue. Okay, now let's see the monster. Can you see his feet?
Yeah.
Can you see his legs?
It's like a wing.
Okay, can you count all of his legs?
There's three.
Three! Have you seen a monster with three legs? There are three.
I want to show with one
I
leg.
think it's my first time too to see a monster with three legs. Okay, what is the color of the legs? What
It's
is the color of the legs?
Halloween.
Green, that's right. Okay, how about his eyes? How about his eyes? You you may okay. If you have difficulties in coloring the monster, just don't. Just tell me the color, okay? I will say the body parts and you say the color. Can you do that? Okay. How about his eyes? What is the color of his eyes?
Dragon.
Orange. Did you say orange?
Orange.
Okay, orange. Orange. Okay. Now, how about his ears? What is the color of his ears?
Pink.
Pink. Can we color that pink? Can you do that? I think it's very small. It's so hard to color pink on his ear. So hard. Okay, it's okay. How about the other ear? Okay. Is his ear big or small?
Pink.
Does the
Small.
monster have a big ears or small ears?
Big and small.
Big and small? What is his ears? Does the monster have a big ears or small ears? What do you think? That big or small? Big or small?
Small.
A small. For you, it's small. Okay. How about his body? This one, his tummy, is it big or small?
Big.
Big! Yes, it's too big. Okay. Oh, the monster now is very colorful, but I think it's ugly. Okay, now, can we proceed here? Can you see the screen over here at number 2? We will identify or find things in the picture. Okay, look at the picture. This is the picture. Can you see that, Jahoy? Okay. What can you see?
I see a lot of things.
What? I can't hear you. You're too far.
I see a lot
Of things?
things.
Okay, a lot of things. Oh, I see that also. But you have to give me one item or one thing in the picture. Can you give me one thing that you can see in the picture?
I see a pencil.
Pencil? Okay, this one I think. This is the pencil. Am I right?
Yeah, and I see
Yeah.
and I see
Computer also. Can you encircle the computer? I think that's a laptop, not a computer. Okay, can you encircle that? Okay, I can you encircle the laptop? This one? Okay, that's right. Now, what other things can you see?
I see a table.
A table? Yes, it is. A table. Very good. Now, can you see a door?
There.
Yes, it's over here. How about a ruler?
There. I see you.
Yes, where is it? Where is the ruler? Oh, that's right. Can you see a mouse?
I don't see a mouse. Oh, it's hiding.
It's hiding? It's okay, that's right. Okay, the last one is very difficult to find. Hmm, can you see a chalkboard?
I don't see.
It's very difficult to see a chalkboard there.
I don't see a chalkboard.
You don't see a chalkboard or a blackboard?
I see a chair.
Okay, I can find it for you. Okay, I think this is the chalkboard. This one. Okay, can you clear it? All the answers so that we can find. Oh, this one. This is the
What?
chalkboard. Okay, now I want you to find one thing. One more thing. Can you find the chair? Can you find the chair?
Yep.
Yes? Where is it? Where is the chair? Okay, that's right. Now, there is
Looks
one more thing that we can't find. Where is the cabinet?
it's a eraser.
Where is the cabinet?
I don't know a cabinet.
You don't know cabinet? You know what? A cabinet, you can store the medicine or small things inside that. You have to open so that you can access the things inside the cabinet. I think you have a cabinet at your home. Where did you put your medicine? I think in the cabinet. Can you find the cabinet?
my I put in the cabinet. I put I
What?
put in the I put
I
I,
put
I
it
put it
inside in my
living room.
in my what?
Living room.
Living room? You put it inside the living room?
That
I cannot hear you. Okay. Okay, if that's the case, did we find all the things hidden in the picture? Did we find the cabinet? Where's the cabinet?
I don't know when. That's
Okay, this one is a cabinet where you can store your medicine or any small things like utensils.
it, it's like a book.
It's like a book. Is that a book? Oh, I think that's a book. Oh, no, it's not a book. It has a handle here so that you can open like the door. What? I cannot hear you clearly. You have to speak clearly so I can understand you. Okay.
My cabinet is for the listen.
Oh no, I cannot understand you because I cannot hear you clearly. Okay, now, can you write here? Can you able to write here so that I can know that you can spell the words like door? Can you write this one, the spelling of this thing inside this box, this paper on the paper?
I don't know.
You don't know the spelling? How about the door? Try to spell the word door. You don't know? Okay, I will show you. Okay, it starts with letter D with double O and another O and R. How will you read that? Door.
Door.
Door, that's right. How about this one? Pencil. Can you spell the word pencil?
Pencil.
Hmm? Do you know what is the spelling of pencil? I can write it for you. It starts with letter P and then E. Oh, it's very hard to write. Oh no. Then N and then C and I and L. I and L. That is? What is that? Pencil. Okay, can we proceed to our activity? Next activity. Okay, we have to proceed here at number 3. Okay, now you have to listen to the audio so that you can answer the activity. Okay, Grace at school with her mom. She's talking about the children. Okay, here are the children, and you have to identify who is Dan, Sue, Anna, and Mark, and May. Okay, let's start. Listen carefully.
Listening 40. Grace is at school with her mother. She's talking about the children. Listen and draw lines.
Now, who are all these children in the playground, Grace?
Well, can you see that girl there?
Which girl?
She's bouncing a ball. Look, there.
I can see a girl, but she's catching a ball.
No, not her. Look, she's wearing a hat.
Oh, yes. Who's she?
That's my friend, Anna.
Anna?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example.
Okay. So the mother says that, who is Anna? Where is she? Okay, and Grace says that a girl who's bouncing a ball. Okay, that is Anna. How about Dan? We have to listen so that we can identify who is Dan and Mark and Sue and May. Okay, let's start. Go!
Look, Mum, there's a boy there who's playing a game.
Oh, yes. He's playing baseball.
No, he's playing basketball, Mum. His name's Mark.
Oh, okay. He's playing basketball and his name is Mark. Where is Mark? Okay, that's right. Okay, now we have to listen. Continue.
Mark?
Yes.
And which boy is Dan?
Oh, he's there.
Does he like playing football?
Yes, he can play football very well. But today he's playing tennis.
But today he is playing tennis.
Can you see him?
Can you see him? Okay, that's right. I thought you will answer this because it's playing soccer. Okay, next.
Yes. So that's Dan.
Yes, that's right.
There are a lot of children in the school hall, Grace.
Yes. Can you see that girl there?
Is she playing the piano?
No, Mum. She's listening to music. There.
Oh, yes. I can see her. What's her name?
That's May.
That's May who's listening to music. Where is she? May is listening to music, not playing a music. Okay, that's right. That's a correct answer. Now, there's only one, and that is Sue.
May? That's a nice name.
Yes.
And is this your classroom, Grace?
Yes, Mum.
And that girl there, what's her name?
Which girl?
Well, she's asking the teacher a question.
You mean the girl with the long hair?
Yes.
Oh, that's Sue.
Sue?
Yes.
Okay, a girl with the long hair. That is Sue. Where is she? Where is she? Okay, that's right. Perfect. You have answered all correctly. Okay, now, Yahoo, I think you have played a sports before. Have you played
Play football.
football? You have played a football before?
Yeah.
What else? How about basketball? Have you played a basketball before?
No. I don't.
No. Are you like May, who loves listening to music?
No.
No. How about playing piano?
No.
No. Okay, it's only football. You can play football? I want to see you play football. How about soccer? Can you play soccer? This is soccer, not a football. Can you play that? Kicking a ball? This one?
Yeah.
Can you do that? Can you play that
That-
kind of sports?
That is a football.
That is a football? Oh, I think that is a soccer. Okay. Okay, now at school, do you have a book at school? Jahoy, do you have a book at school?
Yeah.
Okay. How
I-
about
My 0 is 7 now.
what? I can't hear you clearly.
My 0 is 7.
Again? I cannot hear you clearly. I'm so sorry about that. I think
My
my
I O my
my my school Jahoy. What are you trying to say? Okay, this is football. You're playing football. Okay, at school you're playing football. And who are you playing with?
No. My school did not play as football.
Ah,
I
okay. You're playing at home. So you're playing with your friends.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Do you like reading books at school? You don't go to school.
Boy.
Okay, now I have to ask you something. Okay, what have you learned today? Can I ask you something? Can you give me some parts of the monster that is color green? What is the part of the body part of the monster which is color green?
It's oopsie.
What is his legs is color green. Okay, you did a great job today, Jahoy, but the time is almost up. I will give you 10 stars for that. You did a great job today. So, are you ready for your next lesson for the next meeting? Or I think this is very easy for you. Is it easy or too hard?
Some is hard, some is easy.
Okay. But you're trying your best. Okay, I have to say goodbye. Bye bye, Jahoy. See you next meeting. Okay, bye bye.
But
Bye bye.